Open your Chrome browser. Search Promo Image Resizer and click the first link. There are many social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram that can be easily resized and used as posts, stories, etc. But you need to sign up this tool to download to resized images. Now, click Browse and upload the image that you want to be resized. For the sake of this video, I take Kane Williamson image. You can also do Custom Resize. You can also adjust the aspect ratio by doing this. Select the social media platforms you want by doing this. You can also choose Select All options for specific social media. You can adjust the aspect ratio of particular social media features by doing this. Check the aspect ratio of social media features you want. If the image is not placed correctly, then adjust it by using Edit option. For example, I select some of the common features like Instagram posts, Instagram stories, etc. After that, click Download Selected Images option. But if you want all social media featured images, then click Download All Images option. After downloaded, check your File Explorer.